Hey guys, say we have the NPM RAM at the shop. Now, whenever we service vehicles for long periods of time, we always like to put a pad down and then have it on the trickle charger. So underneath, this is how we're going to do our wiring. We're going to solder everything. And I'm using a dual wall shrink tube because this is an exterior application. So what this does is there's glue in it as we shrink tube and heat it up. And next we're going to take some thicker shrink tube and cover it so it's more seamless looking. So here we can see our light setup. So we chose to use ABS for our mount using the factory holes. ABS is very durable and it's very discreet as far as material looks, doesn't look out of place. The sound system was all built here at our Maple Ridge location. The front tweeters were done by a former employee, Tim Bailey. They look really good. So we can view where the install system lives. So in the mega cabs, there's tons of room. A lot going on, but very simple at the same time and clean. The rest of the interior is pretty cool. We can see here's our DSP controller neatly in the dash. The air ride controller as well. Also, the tuner is also visible. So when you're using the vehicle, not only does this stuff look clean, there's no visible wiring, what we see in a lot of other vehicles, it's actually quite functional. I don't mind having the air ride over on this corner because we're not grabbing all the time compared to looking at engine management or even the stereo.